trying to use the settings, not the settings, like you can do this with a Photoshop. It's transparent. And look, there's a pair of eyes right there too. Look, that's a pair of eyes right there. Wow, that's kick-ass. So finally I can show people what really space is like. This is what I've been seeing in all these videos from NASA. But one thing is to barely see it and another to see it really good, like this one. And you can see this is like saucer. One saucer here, there's another one down here. Pretty big. And there is a triangular shape right here. It looks like a B-2 bomber looking deal right there. Then there is a structure darker, grayish darker here. And there is a big old face here. And this fat tube. This is like a big ass, how do you call that? That's amazing, man. See, they cut the feet right there when that happened, and they put the there's another moment right there where it vibrates right there. Where it vibrates at the same frequency, they move the camera pretty quick right there. Look at that. That's another moment where the same tubes appear. Check it out. The exact same thing. Now we know what the tube, and this tube goes into the white deal in the bottom left corner is the Earth. Right there, that's Earth. So if I would have left the video wrong, you would never see that because it only flashed for a second. Well, now look at this cylindrical object on the electromagnetic vehicle right up here. Look at that right there. There it is. It's pretty hard the camera is having a hard time locking on it. Check it out. My goodness. Now, before I couldn't make sense of what that was. I thought that was like a reflection on the window. No, inside the space shuttle doesn't look like that. No. This is the tubes that comes out of all around space, around Earth, the moon, the sun, everywhere. Those tubes pass through everything. That's what space is. Look at that huge face right there. Look at that. Right there. Look at that face. Right eye, left eye, nose, mouth. Look at it, and then you have this this bigger pair of eyes. I mean, it's a bigger face, then it's another face, but those are all made with tubes, structures that bent. Wow. It's like looking into a swimming pool filled with tubes. It looks like a liquefied deal because they're vibrating at a certain frequency. Amazing, man. Oh, now you know. I knew I had to go, I'm having to go back to review every video because I'm finding more and more things. Look how this two goes like this, bend here, goes like this, bend here, goes like a snake. And that's like a head right there, like a big old snake. It bends like that. And then this two goes straight, and this fat one goes straight from the space into Earth. You can even see the shadow of that thing. And you have these two white objects, I mean white no, bright objects. Appear to be white because I turned down the color and the dark and the light so I could see. Oh my goodness. Look how they do perfectly. It's just perfect. See, you start seeing the tube in the background, but it's only at this point. But you can see the clouds are not clouds, those are structures too. I just didn't know before. It's only with the last videos that I have, I mean, the space video that I have been able to rediscover all of this, which we should have all known about it. Although this thing looks like a huge, it is a huge structure. Look at that. Well above the horizon line. Wow, look at that. And look, this thing has a tool that bends into that structure in space. I mean, between the exo-atmosphere and the Earth, and the space. Look it out. Look how this. And that is a live feed from NASA, from the Kennedy Space Center, from Houston, sorry. Yeah, the Kennedy Space Center. See, right there, you can see the tubes again. But it's only when he illuminates certain way that you can see the whole structure. And look at down there, there, right there. See, I didn't know this before. That was 3 years ago. Now I do. I see him in every single recording I've seen from space. Amazing, man. And look at that. You can see the silhouette. Now look at the structure on the cloud.